Hello everyone, look at my stash of MOFUSAND Hipper mystery box. I do also have one of the, I guess the bear one with how it's dressed up. I'm just so excited, and I do have other MOFUSAND merch. I do think that I love MOFUSAND like 2% more than Sonny Angels. I love all the merch and design that they have, especially the collection that Uniqlo came out with. I believe there was like 1 or 2 drops of the Uniqlo designs for MOFUSAND. But of course, first I need to unbox these right now, and hopefully we'll see what I get. I'm not sure which one. I love all of them. Hopefully I don't get too many repeats because, you know, there is 5 of them. So wish me luck. I'm gonna be unboxing the first Hipper. See what I get. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm going to take off the film first, and then we'll show you the options that are available, and we'll see which one I want. Let's see. So these are the available options right there. Look at, I really love this one right here. Is that the squid? No, it's the octopus. And ooh, look at the little eel right there. There is also a mystery one. So let's manifest this, and hopefully I get the one I want. Ooh. Open it up. What did I get? Oh my gosh. First try, people. Oh, it's so cute. It was the eel. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And look at the best thing is you can put it on your phone. It's so adorable. I'm so excited. Look at that. And then look at the little eyes on the side, and then the stripes. Oh, I love it so much. We're gonna go to number 2 right now. Okay. I'm just hoping I don't get too many duplicates, but if I do, no worries. I will probably just be giving it to friends because they have been wanting these too. And let's open this up. All the options are so cute. Also, for these ones, I did buy them on the Sonny Angels website. So they do sell these on Sonny Angels, and also for some other MOFUSAND figurines. Actually, if you are in the US, Urban Outfitters sells some blind boxes as well. Ooh, I didn't even rip that properly. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this crab. Is that the mystery? Yeah, it's this, I think it's a secret. Oh my gosh. This one is adorable. And then it has 2 little eyes on for the crab and the legs. Oh, and it's an orange cat. Ooh, I feel like I'm feeling the luck today. Okay, let's do number 3. Have you all gotten the Hippers? I know there's Sonny Angels Hippers, but which one do you prefer? Do you like MOFUSAND more or Sonny Angels? Because I think they're both so adorable, but sometimes, you know, if you want to hang a little Hipper on your computer or laptop for work, and then there's a little butt, I don't know how my boss would feel, you know what I mean? So I feel like these are more like work appropriate, and you could just put them anywhere. Number 3. Still cute, but it is a duplicate. I have 2 of these now. And wish me luck for number 4. I really do want the little octopus one. Or maybe the shark. I'm getting greedy because I got the two that I already wanted. Open this up. I really wish that they would release some more new hippers, like new designs for the hippers, because I want this more different variety. Oh my gosh, look at this. I got doubles of everything. What is this? And doubles of the secret? That's crazy. Okay, the next one is my last hipper. Everybody, please wish me luck that I get something different. I just want something different. Okay. Maybe I just pulled and manifested the ones that I was hoping for. Okay, let's see this one. Wish me luck, everybody. Last one. Maybe I should feel around. I think it's something different. Oh my gosh, yes! I got it, the octopus. I guess I did get everything I want. I got the octopus, I got the little eel, and then the secret. It's my lucky day, despite the dupes, of course. I'm just gonna be putting these around everywhere. I got this one in Urban Outfitters, the website. If you are just looking for regular figurines, I suggest you go there and get it. I have gotten the tempura one from the website. Let me see if I have it. Here is my tempura MOFUSAND collection. It's a shrimp tempura. This one is going to be, I don't even know what it's called because it's all in Japanese, the MOFUSAND, and there is no series name. However, it is wearing different clothing option. Here, tiger, cow, bear, a fox, bunny, and a panda. Let's see what I get today. I like the cow, so let's hope for the cow. Here. Also, if you know of any other MOFUSAND blind boxes, please let me know. I do want to see them, and maybe I buy one for myself. I know there is more probably in Japan, right? But here there's just a limited amount of figures for MOFUSAND. I feel that Sonny Angels are much more popular. The tiger. Look at that. These ones are bigger. I didn't know that. Wow, this one is big compared to my tempura cat. Look at how small he is. And then also compared to the hipper. Cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And I can't wait to put them on my shelf and then stick these on like anywhere I can find, in my car, on my laptop, on my tablet, like who knows, the possibilities are endless. I just need a pop of MOFUSAND everywhere. I do have some Sonny Angel hippers incoming in the mail, and I am so excited to unbox those for you. Hopefully I get a video up soon. I'm trying to get the snack series. I missed the raindrop series for Sonny Angels and I was so sad. But even when I did my pre-orders, oh my gosh, they sold out. But it's okay, you know, so many different mystery blind boxes. I know the snack series is coming out, so we are gonna try that. I really want the little chicken one. So hopefully I get that, and then we can do maybe a combined blind box reveal for the next one. However, I am so happy that you all were here to watch me unbox the hippers for the first time, and hope you enjoyed it. And let me know which hipper you want, or maybe you're aiming for. If you have any questions or any thoughts, put it down in comments below, and I'll be sure to get to all your comments and reply to them as soon as I can. So until next time, bye.